Single detached, house and lot? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Located in Dasmariñas, Cavite, near Governor's Drive, SM Dasma, and Robinson's Palapala. Ito ay may lot area na 251 square meter. Single detached na pwede kang umikot sa buong bahay. Tara, check natin sa loob. The living and dining area and the kitchen area. This is a complete turnover with kitchen cabinets and overhead cabinets. This is the den or the guest room. With toilet and bath. This is the door access papuntang service area. Again, this is a single detached, kaya sobrang lawak po ng lote. 251 square meter. And unit. Tara, check naman natin ang second floor. Ang floor area nito ay 126.4 square meter. We have 3 bedrooms on the second floor. This is the bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. The common toilet and bath. And the master's bedroom. With master's toilet and bath. Meron siyang access papuntang balcony na sobrang lawak. Ang TCP ng house na ito ay 9.5 million with a reservation fee of 25,000 pesos. Ito ay available via cash, bank, or in-house financing. This is the parking area. Cemented na siya. For viewing and for more info, contact us.